The easiest way to make money online?
What's the catch?
I got you. Let's talk about it. What's up, y'all? Eliza here, your side biz bestie, bringing you motivation and actionable content to help you start making money online today. And today we are talking about this new affiliate program that I just became a part of that is paying $297 per commission. Hello, can we say bank? Yes. Let's get into it. So we first have to explain what is affiliate marketing. I actually have a whole video on this, but I'm going to quickly go over it. Affiliate marketing is basically the process of you having a unique link to a specific product, and every time somebody buys that product from that link, you earn a commission. Okay, so let's say this shirt right here, right? You have your own unique link to this shirt. Every time you wear it, you promote it. If somebody buys it, you earn a commission. We got that? Okay. Now, this system specifically is a digital product. So it's not a actual something physical, right? The actual product itself is a digital product. It's a landing page that's going to take whatever person clicks on it through a series to explain to them what the product is, and if the person purchases the product, which is it is digital in this case, you get a commission of $297. So let me explain that a little bit better. You may be familiar with companies such as ClickBank and JVZoo. If you're not, check it out after finish watching this video. ClickBank and JVZoo specifically are companies where if you go on their website, they have a ton of offers, right? So somebody like you or me, we can go on their website. You have to apply for JVZoo. ClickBank, I believe, is completely free. You can just go on there. You do have to create an account. Once you create an account, you go onto their website. They have a bunch of offers under different niches, right? So they'll have some under health. They'll have some under make money online, which this is the niche this one is specifically in. And they have a bunch of things. You can go on there, you get that program or you get whatever it is there. It's all digital. And then you figure out how are you going to promote it so that every time somebody clicks that link and actually purchases that product, whatever it is, you get that commission. But here's what I love about this one right here, what we're going to talk about today. I'm just giving you that example so that you can better understand what is the 10X system. Here's a twist. The 10X system is doing the marketing for you. What does that mean? What that means is once you sign up, you purchase the actual system, right? You will then get your own unique affiliate link, just like any other resellers program out there, or in this case, I'm explaining it to you as a affiliate offer, right? Once you get that unique link, you can go out there and promote it yourself, or you can pay for traffic, which is one of the services provided in the 10X system, guys. Yes, you pay for traffic and then they're doing all the promoting for you, and this is how you get paid. I've already been paid twice. Check it out here. Ooh. I just got started. I will keep you guys posted on how it keeps going for me. And you pay for the traffic. Once you pay for the traffic, your link is going to be out there for 30 days. This is what sold me. I don't know about y'all, but if you've ever done any affiliate marketing or any way to just make money online, right? Having somebody run the traffic for you is huge, because if not, you have to figure out how you're going to get people to buy it, right? I was sold. But let's break this down a little bit more. So the 10X system was created by Tavy D. If you're not familiar with Tavy D, go ahead and check her out. She's under Millionaire Mommy on Instagram. She's a millionaire coach, and she owns a digital marketing agency. So listen to this. She's been running ads for years now for big companies. I know one specific company that I'm not going to say, that she runs ads for them. And this company is an international company. This is a real health insurance international company that she's running ads for. And I want to share that with you because she's the one who created the system, right? And for me, that fact right there is important, because what this means is she knows what she's doing. Your ad, once you sign up and you get the program, she has her own team. They are running the the ad for you on Google. I'm going to go ahead and post a picture here so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. A bunch of other companies do the same thing, guys. They do. So for me, it was a no-brainer. Let me tell you a little bit, right? I was watching the system. I was watching her promote it for quite a while, right? Before it launched, because it has now about 2 weeks. I don't know when you're watching this video. But before it launched, she was promoting it, and I was watching, right? I didn't really understand. I was a little bit skeptical. But once I seen those payments coming in for other people, the proof, I said, oh, nah, I'm in. I signed up, and now I'm going to talk to you about my timeline, right? So that you guys can understand, okay, what happens after I pay. Let me explain to you what's my process has been so far, and how you probably, if you decide to get in, it might be the same thing for you. Okay, so this is what it has been for me, right? I signed up on 8/26, right? So once you sign up for the thing, you go on the landing page. I have it right down in the description. You guys can go ahead and check that out. You click on it, you pay for it. It does cost $297. This is an investment, right? So you go ahead, you pay $297. I paid on 8/26. On 8/29, I received my own unique affiliate link. Now I have my own link, so I can go ahead and promote if I wanted to, kind of like I'm doing here, organically, right? Organic sales is something that you're going out there and you're promoting it. That same day, 8/29, I paid for traffic, right? Then my traffic started running on 9/2. On September 2nd, my traffic started running. My first sale, I made it on 9/4. My first sale came in. I was actually doing Uber Eats. I'm minding my own business. Boom, my first sale came in. That sale came in from traffic, right? Nobody purchased from me. This came from the traffic that I paid for. Then my second sale came in 9/6. So today is 9/8. We're waiting for the next third payment, guys, and I am now officially in the green. So what that means is that I invested $497 into this system, because it's a business in a box. It's a business in a link. And now anything that I make from here, it is complete profit. Okay? You hear me? Complete profit. That is $497 that I invested. I'm already at $594. Anything else that I make from here is complete profit. I'm going to have traffic running for 30 days. After that, you do have to invest again into traffic if you want to. If not, you can go ahead and promote it on your own and make sales that way. Listen, if you are somebody who's brand new in the online space, this might sound crazy to you. But if you're like me, listen, I've been making money online since 2017, and I've done affiliate programs very similar to this, so this is nothing new to me. However, what is new to me is the fact that they run the traffic for you. In the past, I've had to pay for solo ads, which I guess is similar to this. The only difference is solo ads are being sent to somebody who has an extensive email list, right? This is being run on the internet, so other people, and it's being targeted to people who are in the niche, guys, of making money online. This is a niche. You could go ahead and look it up, because to you it may sound foreign, but the reason why for me this is the easiest way to make money online is because literally you are investing one time. Once you invest for the actual system, you are then going to pay for your traffic. The same way if you had a business, you had to figure out how you're going to get people into that door. And one of those ways may be for you to pay for traffic to get people into that door. And then the system does the selling for you, and boom, you're going to get those random $297. Listen, it doesn't get easier than that, guys. I hope you guys found this useful. I want you to go ahead and watch the video. There's a link. That link right there is what you are going to get. What are you getting? That product. Go look in the description. That is what you are getting. And if you're just confused, you got a little bit more questions, send me a text message. I want you to text me any questions you got at 929-224-7312. Send me a text message. I got you. I will answer any questions, because, of course, if you sign up with my link, I'm going to get that commission, and I'm here to help you out if you also want to do your own promoting on your own, or if you just want to let the system run for you, because that's what I've been doing, and I'm in love and I can't wait. Make sure you follow me so you can keep seeing my success, specifically on my Facebook. You can check me out on Instagram as well, but go ahead and follow me. Stay watching, and when you're ready, come through, baby. Let's make this money online. Ow.